Alright guys, we've got a Outcom OPA 202 upgraded and retuned to HG transistors, 2879s. Put you some flyback resistors in there, put 2879s in there, change 2 10 ohms, retuned input and output, reroute transformers. It's pretty good shape, I just electrolytic. Anyway, we'll start out straight through SWR like we do. Straight through the amp. Worldwide. Turn on high. Input SWR, just a little, not much. Hello. 1000 watt average power. Radio drive only. Hello, radio worldwide. Worldwide 170. PEP, 1000 watt scale. Worldwide, get on down, worldwide, get on down, worldwide, get on down, 300. Which is real good for this little box. On the LP, worldwide, get on down, get on down, get on down, get on. You see your tune over there? Hello, everything's right on target, worldwide. I push in the AM button, which is the first stage of low. Hello, worldwide, worldwide, worldwide. That's good. This is the sideband button, which is the next stage low. Hello, worldwide, worldwide. Well, you gotta go to the sideband alone. Hello, audio. But anyway, there's your sideband. 1, 2, 1, 2. Same works kind of weird. But there she is, all ready to go. Should be good to go. 2 HG-2879s and Outcom. Get on down. I appreciate it. Well, appreciate you watching, and hopefully it works out for you. This is a pretty cool little modification, man. Got her all fixed up on a big little amp. Be a mean little Outcom. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. If you got time, take time to like, subscribe to our channel. Appreciate your business. Appreciate you watching. Your friend GN 018 Beavis. Catch you later. Bye bye.